Today I'm going to be wrapping my mirror caps on my 2019 Silverado. I've already took the mirror off, or the front at least, but to get that off, those 3 tabs right on top, you have to pop off, and then you can kind of slowly pull it down and the rest will come off. Now I'm going to get these off by using a T85 screw. Now pull your mirror cap off by doing a gentle tug on each corner. There's tabs each corner. There's 3 back in here that will come off with a pull, and be careful because they will snap if you do not pull them straight. For your next step, you're going to need needle nose pliers. Back up in here, I don't know if you can see, but there's a tab. Squeeze that tab together, pull this out, and it'll come right off. And then you're ready for wrapping. Now that your mirror cap's off, you can go ahead and go wrap it. So I just got done wrapping my mirror caps, and I honestly like the way they look. The matte black looks way better. I was gonna get glossy, but I was like, you know what, I'm gonna go matte. And it looks good. I only messed up in a couple of spots, like right on the edges. I didn't stretch them as good as I should have, so I got little creases every once in a while. But overall, it looks good. There's no bubbles on the top. It's only around this one corner that I have those creases. Same side, same way. It's that one corner, the inside corner, that I have trouble with. But I just heat it, stretch it over, get the bubbles out, wrap it over, and then cut it about 1/2 inch away, and then just fold. But yeah, it looks way better now than it was chrome. But if y'all like this video, go ahead and like, subscribe, and there's plenty more where this came from.